I'll show you how to make a selfie snapmoji on Snapchat, a fun personalized avatar that looks just like you. Open Snapchat and then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, then tap your Bitmoji avatar to start customizing. And then in your Bitmoji options, look for create selfie snap emoji. Snapchat will open the camera, ask you to take a selfie to generate your snapmoji. Once Snapchat generates your snap emoji, you can change hairstyle, facial structures, expressions and accessories to make it look like exactly what how you want. When you're happy with your selfie snapmoji, save it. Now you can use it in chat, stickers, snaps, or even on Snap Map. And that's it. Your selfie snapmoji is ready to go. Like, subscribe, and check out my other snap tutorials for more fun tips. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.